What's going on YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Succumb's Garage. Today I'll be doing an oil change on a 2020 GX460. Why ask me I'm doing oil change instead of taking to the dealer? It's because the dealer charge $120 to $130 per oil change. I mean, it's just an oil change, so I could do it cheaper myself. I guess why not? So if you guys could do me a favor, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a video. All right, let's just get into what we have here. All right, so these are the things I'll be using: tools, oil, etc. I have here the filter. It's a genuine Lexus filter. That's the part number. I also bought me this let's see, oil housing cap remover. I think it's a 3264, I believe. I'm not sure. Well, I believe it's a 64 millimeter, but I'll look into it again. Got me 0W20 full synthetic. I got these off of Amazon, by the way. It's actually a lot cheaper than inside the store. You can save like $20 from inside the store. See, the car itself takes 8.2 quarts of oil. I've already marked where I need to go. You need a 10 millimeter socket, 12 and a 14. I got me one of these, so because the skid plate under the car has some kind of like plastic, screw of some sort. And also got me a Fumoto valve that I'm going to install today. It makes oil changing easier, so go ahead and pop the hood. Release the oil cover. All right, so here's that big skid plate I was talking about. This is the front of the engine, and this is going back to the end of the car. It's pretty bright out there. So we got, let's see here. Right here, there's a 12 on this side. On the other side, here's another 12. From the rear, here's another 12. And this side, another 12. So there's 4 12s. Then you got a 10 millimeter right here on one side, and a 10 millimeter on the other side. And then you got this little plastic tab here that I was talking about that you probably need to pull out first. Whew. By far the hardest thing to pull out is this skid plate. So if you see this hook right here, how it's shaped up, it's got like a 90-degree angle on it, and it's coming off of this hole right here. This tool is hooked into it, and boy, toughest thing I've done all year is pulling off the skid plate. Okay, right there is the oil filter housing. Let's see how this goes. And focus. Okay. All right. Okay, so it looks like this thing has like a bunch of notches on it, so I'm guessing it's gonna have to go inside their notches. Oh, okay, just like that. Okay, that'll work. Let's get. Alright, the oil housing is out. Now it's got this rubber gasket that you just pull right out. That'll come out. That's the old one. We got our new one right here. Gasket and filter housing. I mean filter, not filter housing, but filter. Put the new one in. It only fits one spot area, so I mean one little area. It's just this little groove right here. And that's in. Right. And this filter just slides right in. Spring loaded. Okay, let's go ahead and just put it in. Tighten it up by hand and then torque it down. Okay, it seems to feel like that's about as much as I can get. Okay, and oil pan is actually under this plate. These are 12 millimeter. Off to go the plate. All right, and I believe that bolt, that drain plug, is a 14 millimeter. All right, so we got this Fumoto valve that I'm gonna go ahead and install. Let's go ahead and put it on. It comes with a little gasket. Okay, that's hand tighten. And I believe the instruction says to tighten the valve. Where is it? It says tighten the valve with a crescent wrench on the body of the valve. An additional 1/8 turn. Do not over tighten. Okay. Crescent wrench, huh? Man, if I can get this thing in there. .8. Let's see. That should be it. Okay. Dude. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, peace.